Assalamualaikum and good day. I would like to start the presentation with the introduction. Far East Holding Berhad, established in 1973, is a leading company in Malaysia palm oil industry, managing 13 plantations in Pahang. The company focuses on sustainability by following MSPO certification and ESG principles. It is working to grow its market, adopt new technologies, and strengthen in effort in sustainability despite facing challenges such as regulatory risk, price change, and supply chain issues. The company has strong foundation for growth, focusing on sustainability and adapting to market change. Next, the current situation of Far East Holding Berhad, focusing on sustainability through MSPO certification and ESG standard. The company has shown good financial performance and support the local economy by working with small business, offering interest-free loans, and providing affordable equipment. It has recognized eco-friendly practices and strong stakeholder relationship. However, it faces challenges such as level dependency, regulatory risk, price volatility, and global issues. Despite this, it has opportunity to grow by creating new products, adopting advanced technology, and expanding its appearances globally.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Imam bin Ismail. My number metric 221242658. I will be presenting about the corporate governance. First, the board structure. A comprehensive analysis of Far East Holding Berhad corporate governance begins with evaluating its board structure. This includes examining the composition of the board of directors and the roles of key committees, such as the plantation controller, group financial controller, risk management committee, and plantation and milling director. Skills. A diverse and skilled board is beneficial as it brings different perspectives and expertise to the table. This diversity enhances the board's ability to oversee the company's strategic direction, financial performance, and risk exposure effectively. The social responsibility. Far East Holding Berhad recognizes the importance of social responsibility in its operations. The company's social policy emphasizes that development should provide a social benefits to all stakeholders, including the environment, local communities, workers, and customers. On to the areas for improvement. Firstly, the technological advancement. Focusing on researching new varieties of oil palm that are more resilient to disease, have higher productivity, or are better suited to climate challenges. This could provide a competitive edge in the market. Next, dedicated resources to research and development to innovate new products can position FEHB as a leader in sustainable and eco-friendly offerings. Next, the collaborating with technology companies, which offer advanced tools such as GPS-guided equipment, drones for crop monitoring, and data analytics platform. The diversification strategy, the company can focus on developing value-added products derived from palm oil, such as cosmetics. Collaborating with cosmetic companies to create natural skincare products can open a new market opportunities. Next, investing in research and development to innovate new products to create functional food products that incorporate palm oil, such as health supplements. Lastly, allocating the resources strategically to support diversification efforts. For example, creating an innovation fund specifically aimed at supporting diversification initiative. This fund could be used to finance projects related to the development of new products, technology adoptions, and market expansion efforts. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Dr. Shahrizan, also known as Dr. A. My name is Siti Nobalkis, and I am here to explain my part on the external and internal environment analysis. The external environment is divided into opportunities and threats. For Far East Holding Berhad, I identified several opportunities, including zero burning practice, mechanization, human capital development, plantation growth, and emission management. On the other hand, the company also faces threats such as unfavorable weather, epidemic management, environmental and social governance issue, ESG, fluctuation of CPO, and peace and disease. I have included an EFAS, which is External Factor Analysis Summary table, which highlights these key factor and their strategic impact on Far East Holding Berhad. In analyzing the internal environment of Far East, I identified two main categories, strength and weaknesses. The company's strength include shareholder value creation, strong growth prospect, significant capital expenditure, replanting initiative, and capital structure. This factor position Far East well to compete with international oil palm companies. However, the company also faces several weaknesses, such as issue with diversity and gender equality, challenge related to tall palm harvesting, low yield, heavy reliance on foreign workers, and labor shortage. To summarize these internal factors, I have included an internal factor analysis summary, which is EFAS table, which highlight the key strategic factors that can guide Far East's future decision. Thank you.
Okay, so now I will talk about the strategy alternative and recommended strategy. The strategic alternative is the first one is investing in advanced technologies and mechanism, which is Far East need to advance their technology mechanism to monitoring their system by increasing the productivity while consuming less resources. The second one is strengthening ESG practice and stakeholder engagement, which is by emphasizing stronger emission control. Far East should improve their ESG that will lower their regulatory and reputational risks. And the last one is expanding downstream activities. This point, Far East need to think that about going the downstream processing, which is include their making refined palm oil and goods with additional value. It means they need to use eco-friendly processing technique. Now I will talk about recommended strategies. The first one is risk mitigation, which is Far East may reduce their risk by preventing disruption with solutions like monitoring software and web analytics. The second one is operational efficiency. That means that Far East need to improve their mechanism like robotic harvest or automated fruit collection equipment. For example, adopting drone surveillance in plantation or apply the automated irrigation system. And the last one is sustainability leadership. Means that by enhancing ESG standard, including the implementation of non-burning policy, Far East need to engage in carbon credit or attaining global standard such as RSPO, which is roundable of sustainable palm oil. It can help to build a strong brand reputation.
Let us continue with the strategic factor analysis model with internal strategic factors shaping Far East Holding Berhad performance. Starting with the strengths, the company demonstrates robust financial stability and a strong capital base with a weighted score of 0.05, enabling reinvestment and resilience against external challenges. Additionally, FEHB's mechanization efforts address labor shortages effectively, enhancing productivity and operational efficiency with a score of 0.40. Furthermore, their steadfast commitment to ESG practices align with regulatory demands and boost brand reputation, scoring on 0.50. However, there are weaknesses where the dependency on foreign labor, scoring 0.24, poses operational risks amid quota restrictions. Additionally, inefficiencies in tall palm harvesting with the same score of 0.24 affect productivity in older plantations. Addressing these issues through technology and workforce diversification remain critical for maintaining internal efficiencies. Now, moving on to the external factors influencing Far East Holdings Berhad. The company has several opportunities, which is the downstream diversification provides a strategic avenue to mitigate crude palm oil (CPO) price volatility and increase value-added products with a weighted score of 0.40. Moreover, the implementation of emission management strengthens sustainability practices and align with global ESG standards, turning a similar score of 0.40. However, external threats include unfavorable weather conditions, disrupting production and transportation with a score of 0.24. The fluctuation of CPO prices, scoring 0.30, directly impacts revenue, emphasizing the need for diversification. Lastly, increasing ESG stakeholder demands necessitate ongoing investment in compliance and reporting, scoring 0.20. By leveraging opportunities and addressing threats through strategic diversification and ESG initiative, FEHB can enhance its competitive edge and operational resilience.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So for the implementation, have 5 points. So the first one is establishing the specific target helps to ensure that all initiatives contribute to FEHP's overall mission. This goal focuses on improving production efficiency, reducing environmental impact, and expanding market reach, providing a clear direction for the organization. Next, the proper allocation for resource is crucial for success. So, the FEHB will invest in advanced technology and staff training to equip employees with the skills needed to meet new challenge. This strategy investment will enhance competitiveness and support sustainable practice. Number three, engaging employees, supplier, and local community foster a collaborative environment through workshop and training session. Stakeholder will gain insight into strategic initiative, enhancing their ownership of the process and increasing like the likelihood of successful implementation. So next, the clear schedule allow FEHP to monitor process effectively. So the regular review of the timeline will help identify potential delays early on, enabling timely corrective action while maintaining alignment with strategic objective. So the open communication during this review encourages teamwork and share responsibility also. The last one is establishing monitoring mechanism, ensure that each initiative stay on track by utilizing technologies for real-time data collection and analysis. Fabric can make informed decision about strategy adjustment, ensuring alignment with strategic goals throughout the implementation process. The evaluation plan. So the evaluation plan for Far East Holding Berhad is designed to systematically assess the effectiveness of its strategy in alignment with the company's objective. So the number one is performance metric. The plan incorporates key performance indicator KPIs that measure production efficiency, sustainability goals, financial performance, and stakeholder satisfaction. This quantification allows FEHB to track process and identify area to improvement. The number two is a regular review. Quarterly evaluation against the established KPI facilitate timely adjustment and ensure that the company remain on track to meet its strategy goal. Number three, cross-functional teams involving diverse team in the evaluation process enhance the quality of assessment and foster a collaborative environment where insight and best practice can be shared. And number four, feedback mechanism. The plan includes channels such as survey and focus groups to gather perspective from employees and stakeholders. So this feedback is invaluable for informing future strategy modification and ensure relevant to organizational objective. The control plan for FEHP is aimed at ensuring that the organization stay aligned with strategic vision. So the first one is risk management. A core component of the control plan is proactive risk management. So regular risk assessment help to identify strategic vulnerabilities, allowing FEHP to implement mitigation strategies before issue raise. So number two is compliance monitoring. The plan emphasizes adherence to relevant regulation through clinical audits. So this monitoring process ensures that any compliance issue are addressed promptly, safeguarding the company reputation and also operational integrity. So the number three is continuous improvement. The control plan foster a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging all employees to contribute ideas for enhancing process. This initiative not only boosts operational efficiency but also empowers employees by valuing their input, thereby driving innovation within the organization.
To conclude the presentation, I would like to summarize the key point. Far East Holding Berhad has opportunities in zero burning, practice automations, HR development, and emission control, but face a risk such as weather challenge, pandemic, and CPO price fluctuations. Its strengths including strong shareholder replanting incentive and expansion plan, while challenges involve labor dependence and inefficiency in harvestings. We recommended investing in technology, enhance ESG practice, and diversifying revenue stream for sustainability growth. That's all from me. Thank you.